This one comes from Pauline. Can you please let me know the price of a 150-litre stainless steel geyser with a 10-year warranty compared to a basic 150-litre geyser with a normal 5-year warranty?
Pauline, the current rate of a stainless steel 10-year warranty geyser, a Watermax, is 12,500 Rand versus the current rate of a conventional mild steel enamel tank is about 9,500 Rand.
Okay, and I did a little bit of homework before answering that question. It would probably cost an extra 21 or 22 Rand per geyser per month to increase the excess, to increase the limit on your policy. Thank you.